In the heart of New York City, every block tells a story. From the timeless brownstones of Brooklyn to the elegant limestone facades of Manhattan. These buildings are more than structures. They are history carved in stone. But time, weather, and neglect take their toll. The craftsmanship that once defined these homes begins to fade, and with it, a piece of the city's heritage. At Innovation Construction NY Inc., we bring history back to life. Our team specializes in brownstone, limestone, and brick facade restoration, combining traditional craftsmanship with modern techniques. Every project is handled with precision, from careful removal of deteriorated layers to meticulous replication of original architectural details, always in full compliance with New York City landmarks, preservation standards. We believe restoration isn't just repair, it's preservation. It's our promise to protect the city's architectural identity for generations to come. Innovation Construction NY Inc., specialists in brownstone and historic facade restoration. Rebuilding the past, one masterpiece at a time. Innovation Construction NY Incorporated, Brooklyn, New York. Phone number 212-666-5441, 718-666-7679. www.innovationconstructionny.com. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Yelp,